Welcome to the lesson that will get you started with putting your home page together for your Google site. First of all, if you haven't picked up the Google Doc called Homepage Write-Up, you need to do so. You're going to need to write a 200-word write-up describing your website. So I've done that. Here's my story that's over 200 words. And once you've written it, go ahead and select your story once it's complete. And you're going to do Control-C or Command-C of your keyboard to copy that story. You're going to then come up here to the Readability Score website and you're going to paste it into the window. So you can do Control-V or Command-V to paste it. And if you look over in the right, you'll see how many words it has. In this case, it has 323 words. If you did not have 200 or more words, you would need to continue adding to this story. Now notice this will actually catch some spelling errors or grammatical errors. So you can see frostings is underlined. So I'm going to correct that. The reading level is 8.1. If you wanted, you could come in and add more words to your sentences to see that improve. If you did make changes, you would need to select it, copy it, and then you would go back to your story and do make sure that you replace the changes on that doc. But I am now ready to take this from the readability site. I'm going to select the text, right-click and copy. I'm going to my home page. I will choose the pencil tool or the edit option. I'm going to select this and do Control-V to paste that in. I will then click Save. I now have the writing story on my page. I now need to decide which image I want to put on my home page. I have actually saved all the images I need for my website. I do want to add a picture of a coffee cup on my home page. But the problem with this is the images are pretty big. If they're really big, you're going to want to resize them. If you don't, the page will load really slow for your audience at first. And if they have to wait too long for large images to load, they may not stay on your website. So I'm going to show you a quick way to resize the image. I'm going to go ahead and Google Pixlr. It's an online image editor and it's free, so I'm going to go ahead and choose Pixlr Editor. I'm going to open image from computer. I'm going to go to that folder on my desktop and select a picture of a coffee cup. If you cannot see the images, you need to view them in such a way that you can see the large icon. I'll go ahead and select this coffee cup. You might want to crop it. So if you want to crop it, you would take the crop tool and select what you want, and then you would choose the Enter key of the keyboard to crop that. To resize something, you would choose Image Size. 732 pixels is really not that big, so I might just leave that. If you wanted to make it smaller, let's say it was 3000 pixels, you would come in here and change it. Make sure Constrain Proportion is selected or your image will be distorted. So maybe you might choose 500 and choose OK. You would then choose File, Save. I like to put the quality to 100%. I'm going to go ahead and call this Home. I'm going to put it on my home page. I would then choose OK. I'm going to that desktop folder and I will go ahead and call it Home and save it right inside of Google Site Unit and save. Before you add the image to your website, you have to go to Google Drive. So go to Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, go ahead and locate maybe your 8th grade class folder. And if you have a folder for my class, maybe computer design, because you want to stay organized, go ahead and open up that computer design folder. And you're going to make a new folder and call it Google Site. Go ahead and open up that Google Site folder and you're going to do New File Upload. You're going to go to that folder and locate that image that you called Home, and you're going to upload it to your Google Drive. Once it's uploaded, this is really important that you do this. You have to right-click on the image and choose Share. I'm going to choose Advanced and I'm going to change it from Private to Public and then click Save. I will now click Done. Once it's in your drive, you can add it to your home page. So go to your website, choose the Edit option. You're going to click in front of that first word and choose Insert, Drive, and then you're going to choose Image. You would then type in the image, and in this case I named it home, so I'll search for home, and there's the image. I will then select it. I'm then going to click on that image and I'm going to wrap it. I'm then going to make it medium, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose change, and see where it says open this link in a new window. I will select that and click OK. I will then click save. That way, if someone clicks on that image, the image will open in a new window, and when I close it, the website is still there. This concludes the session on how to set up your home page and add an image. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.